You take care of any issues that came up or things that happened that you weren't prepared for?
It took a little longer to get my panels because it was the summertime. Yep. And um, you was calling the company, you was calling the panel company, you was calling PNCNG, everybody you came here because I couldn't be here because I was at work. Yeah. So you helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. So we try to take care of ours. Why would you recommend Walker Power to other homeowners?
I would definitely recommend you because you are on top of everything. When I had a question, you always answer the question. You would look for results and you would like call the companies, do the work. Like if I needed anything, all I needed to do is email you, send you a text, or called you, and my answer was there. So I really recommend you guys to get your solar panels.
We promise. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. And check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/project/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.